Good afternoon. You're watching I24 News. We begin in Israel, where the opposition leader Isaac Herzog held a press conference just minutes ago in which he addressed the coalition talks, saying he will not negotiate with Netanyahu at the same time he negotiates with Avigdor Lieberman, the leader of the right-wing ISRAELDIPLO3 party. Herzog faced fierce opposition from members of his own Zionist Union party throughout the day. Meanwhile, right-wing leader Avigdor Lieberman is scheduled to meet Prime Minister Netanyahu in just 1 hour, this after holding a press conference over his party's coalition demands, in which he said he doesn't rule out joining Netanyahu's coalition government if demands are met.
If it is true that we will be offered the defense ministry, death penalty for terrorists, and a pension reform, as well as other issues I'm hearing about, this is a serious and respectable offer that we should consider and will be able to discuss.
And our diplomatic correspondent Oz Rosenberg joins us once again on the line. Oz, Isaac Herzog is pressing Netanyahu to choose between right and left, between the Zionist Union and Israel Beitenu, as just 1 hour from now, Netanyahu is scheduled to meet Lieberman.
Yes, Michal. At this point, there's not a lot of options at Herzog's disposal. And when I say at this point, I mean less than an hour before the two people he is dreadful the most in terms of this negotiation. That is on one side Netanyahu, and the other side Lieberman. The two of them are about to meet. Herzog doesn't have a lot to do. He doesn't have a lot of tools to play with. So he plays let's call it the transparency card, saying everything on the table, trying to put it bluntly and say, are you going to choose war, which is Lieberman, or are you going to choose peace, which is us? Something he stressed, this point he stressed many times in the last few days. But certainly when the Lieberman thing around, he does put himself in front of Lieberman as if, two people, and in the middle is Netanyahu, and both of them are calling him and see where Netanyahu goes. This is what Herzog is actually trying to do here.
Absolutely. But as he is at the same time leaving the door open and talking about this historic and unique opportunity to resolve or to once and for all reach a peace agreement in the Middle East, of course, talking about Israelis and Palestinians.
Well, talk is easy. Obviously, he says that. Everybody can say that. But, when it comes to crunch time, we'll have to see if he actually goes through. But I'll just say that Herzog, the fact that Lieberman is in the game, pushes Herzog to play, like I called it, the transparency card, and that is putting everything on the table, the same as Lieberman did, the same as Netanyahu did, and trying to signal to the public that everything they know about me is out there, and I'm offering my complete self, and tell the voter that nothing has changed in terms of what they voted for and what they're going to get at the end. And this is what Herzog is trying to do, basically, is to signal to the voter, you chose me because you chose peace, according to him, and this is exactly what you'll get. And, this press conference really allows him to do so. This is what he tried to do.